YouTube, baby. It's YouTube,
Hey,
guys.
I made his first video pop off.
Hello. Got this 2013 Silverado 6.2. You're doing a hub replacement today. I want to show you guys a walkthrough on what's required and what's needed to do the replacement. Got my old cheapo COVID-19 gloves because you can't buy any rubber gloves or latex gloves from the parts store. So watch it as we go through this.
It might.
I don't know, man. The turning is.
Your corner just gonna hit. It might.
What y'all
Cause
think?
you can fit 37 stock, but just no lip.
14 wide on the 4-inch lip.
Don't you?
3-inch lip.
Start taking pictures all the shit everywhere.
I mean, why not?
Lift the trucks for life.
82 for life, gang gang. All out gang.
Mine's leveled.
Gang gang.
What's bad? Mine's level and it's like a lot of cutting on it.
Do it.
And we'll see. Might have to come over here tomorrow and see if I can get them to fit.
I mean, they would.
No, I'm just saying, like, I just want to see.
He wants to straight. I'm gonna go home and buy him.
Probably.
Possibly.
Don't threaten me with a good time.
Hey, I'm okay with it. What size is that? A 15? I don't even know.
I thought it was a 3/4.
I don't know. Well, I say 15 because brake caliber on Canon 15.
I think it was an 18 millimeter actually.
15, 13, and 10, and a star head. You tell whole Canon
Tear
everything.
down the whole head.
Fuck yeah.
Sorry, YouTube, for foul language.
Are you live? Are you still filming and shit?
I'm actually filming here.
Oh, cool. My
I
bad.
don't care. I can just.
Oh, you speed up the words. That's all I gotta do is speed it up. I'm not gonna do real time video.
Goddamn.
A week
No, this. I mean, it'll do it. But that's.
No, we should keep talking shit like him. I'm talking shit because I got the same one.
Wait. I do have
See if you
big
get
boy
that-
toys.
Oh, he got Big Daddy right there.
Oh, Big Daddy in the
Let's say,
front.
can you get the Ooga Dooga on it?
Big Daddy in the front.
What's that? Is that 18 or 19?
18.
Okay, I'll play.
Eat. And I got this kitchen if you need it.
I got a full punch
That's it.
stand. 3/8 half-inch ankle with full Harbor Freight sunset.
Well, everybody be sleeping on Harbor Freight.
I know.
I don't either. I'll be
Fuck
buying
no.
shit from there.
My thing is why would you go spend for an? I get if you're a professional and you do this for a living, not Corey, not yet.
Right.
Corey got a big ass shop, yeah. But if you work at a dealership and you do this professionally and you making good money, yes, buy quality good tools. Because the Snap-on man comes once a week to those kind of places. But me and you being weekend warriors, why would I need to spend $10,000 on a toolbox and tools when I can go to Harbor Freight and buy damn near one of everything in the store and a box for 10 grand? By the way, Gatorade's not supposed to go down the second one.
Oh yeah, don't do
That motherfucker's not me to team.
Why?
Can't be no team player.
But Harbor Freight, all their hand tools are lifetime warranty. All of them.
Surely. Corey, now what you looking for, G?
I had my hangers. I had wire hangers.
They're not all up there on that flag.
No. I had actually like steel fingers.
You had them, you threw them in the corner the other day, but you cleaned
But
up.
what corner though?
Right here. Your truck had did your truck have a fender flare on it?
Yep.
I can see it.
Yeah. Corey did
Right
it.
there.
Oh, hell yeah. I'm looking out, bro. I'm good looking.
Corey painted it, but I mean, watch
And
it.
he damn near buffed the front where you can't see it, but the back, somebody sucked them bitches.
You know,
too
they
tight.
clapped, and so I had to go in and clean it up and then put the paint in.
That's fine. I got painted for 3 years. I know this.
That was like the best I could do.
I do think it's really cute that you got spare time back there acting like that's going to do anything.
That's why I took it off. It was one there.
Yeah, that bitch ain't going to shit. You need a 37-inch flare. What you got this big husky one?
That's why I closed it. It's coming 5 times.
Oh, it's waterproof. Isn't it?
Yep.
Look at you being all the terrorism.
Yo, thank you. Got it from Home Depot for $60 damn.
Yeah, but it'll last a lifetime if you take care of it.
Yes, sir. What you need me to do, Corey?
Stand there.
Just stand there and look pretty. Now, you know I got that on lock.
On lock. Oh, what is that cute little spacer for?
I don't know what it comes from. I got 2 in the back.
That's sketchy.
What is?
Having 2 in the back. Because that ain't a whole lot of thread lugs poking through the grass.
Man, why you even say that? Now you don't freaking the fuck out.
Woman, I'm just saying, I was told it wasn't safe. You ain't that.
All of them come with it though.
I ain't never seen those before.
Did that come with it and the back? I ain't put no space
So
on.
I'm saying I've never seen that
Oh.
on a stock on a vehicle.
Mm.
Oh, that's right. He got that new shit with the torque bed and the woolly doo.
Right, all that.
The woolly doo, the woolly don't.
The fancy stuff. He ain't gonna run nowhere no better.
I'll just make sure it fit.
That was the problem.
Bro, you can't do shit out of it. What the hell you doing? Huh?
I was trying to make sure.
I was gonna wait till what? This ain't working.
No, I was trying to
No
make sure
power,
it fit.
baby.
I was trying to make sure it fit.
Look at that. It's like NASCAR from this motherfucker.
Yeah.
Of course, he ready to go home and drink him a cold beer.
Couple. Man, I be at my folks' house now. Like, I'm used to living on my own. And so, like, I used to drink, like, 3 beers a night. And so,
Your dad be saying
now,
stuff?
all right, first you take your 36 millimeter, take your axle nut off, axle nut, axle washer, set it to the side. Next, you're gonna take your caliper bolts out, upper and lower. That's an 18 millimeter. Take that off, hang it off with a hanger.
19.
It's 18.
Easy.
18.
No.
It's 18.
I said 19, I was wrong.
Yeah, 18. Yeah. All right. And then once you do that, you're gonna go in with a 15 millimeter, 3 bolts on the back for the hub assembly bolts. Boom, pop them out, and you should be good to go. Stay tuned. Also, you're gonna need a Torx bit. That's a T30 for the Torx bit bolt on the rotor. Next, I'll take my 15 millimeter. Real quick light.
I can't eat all these things because pink sauce is full of sugar.
You don't.
Next, you're gonna do the ABS line up top. Back the 3 bolts out. You're good to go. You're gonna take your dust shield off. Remember what place your point your ABS sensor is in, and then you'll be good to go. Cut the zip tie off, and we'll be ready to play. Carry on. Listen to it. Let's open the other one up and listen to it. Open up the brand new one. You'll see. Let these people hear. Let these people hear this. See, that is the sound of a bad hub assembly. Actually, let's let them do the new one. Would you just listen to it? Listen to it. Listen to it. Hey, Garland.
So, homie. Hub assembly was not being a team player.
Oh no, not at all.
Not. Is it still making noise?
I don't know.
It is. I can hear
Yeah, it's definitely in there.
it. It's just not as loud because you can't put pressure on it.
Now don't let me lie to you, Garland.
I know you're not about to. I'm Googling it. Going to the Home Depot website.
Right.
Boy, old Tank Tank over there getting it.
Oh,
Get a fan.
Oh, oh, my fan? Oh, that thing's been around. My granddad gave me that fan. I was
Like
like,
I said, poor little Tank Tank getting it.
poor little tick thing. Hey, but it's the truth though. It's that Jordan's opening, just it should be.
Yeah.
What's up,
Milwaukee came out with a half-inch, the 3/8 long neck one.
really?
Yeah.
I ain't got my charger plugged in. So I'm gonna hold on. So how many foot pounds on this one?
I'm looking.
Yeah, see?
60.
I told you. Did I not say 60?
Yeah, I'm not arguing. I'm trying to figure out how much
I thought I was fronting. See how much easier that was?
Oh, okay. So you get a half inch, you get a whole 5 pounds more.
Okay, but I wanted a half inch because I don't use 3/8 inch.
I like some.
Axle washer.
Nut. Boom.
Can you go ahead and apologize for your friends being in the video?
Ignore my friends.
Comrades.
People with similar interests.
Similar interests. Yeah, that's right.
Rotor.
Then you have to put your rotor torque bit screw back in the proper location. Actually, would be important. As so, I need a battery.
I told him as soon as he gets his flowing thing go away, we need to have a warrant fabrication cruising.
Want it? Fat what?
Cruising.
Cruising.
Like have people come up here.
Oh, hey.
Not an open house, a cruising.
Yeah.
Open house is when you have to let people inside. Cruising when
No, open house is when you got to feed them up.
back of my truck and ride like flies, son.
You gonna have different wheels, tires.
All four.
Oh.
Probably is what I'm saying.
Oh yeah. I see
If
something.
you come about the whole set, I'll put the used set on mine to see if I can make 37 fit. I'm talking about.
Time to mount up, son.
Me and Corey Thursday.
Oh, you ready? Yeah, I'm ready.
Corey can do 37.
I think I could do 26 by 12. The 26 is going open side. The problem is the out. It's the wheel.
I got some brother. That's how I do it.
See, that's how I do it, but I don't like being on
What
the
are your
truck.
wheels are light?
Yours heavier than his? I'm going to show up with intros and Corey's not going to talk to me anymore.
No, I'm be like, man, Garland, we're best friends now.
You talking about the intro, like they make them like 24 by 15?
Yep.
The boy in Alabama had them. That was in the truck group at one time on the Red Eye.
Talking about the rap one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They have to come on, yeah. They have to come on, yeah. This one is one of the oldest. The other company,
Alright, I'll fuck with you.
I'm trying to see now. Let's chill.